Hey guys, welcome to another exciting episode of Traveling with Vaughn. Today, I'm going to talk about the top 5 latest U.S. immigration updates you need to know in 2025. If you are someone who is an immigrant in the United States and needs to make a change of status, in this video, we're going to break down the top 5 important immigration updates happening right now in America and give you a clear practice advice on what to do and what you need to do in regards to it. So let's begin. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. Now in this video, you guys have a lot of notes, so I'm going to be looking down at my screen just to kind of let you guys know, but we're going to cover the USCIS Fee Increase. We're going to talk about green card backlogging and shifts. We're going to talk about the new DACA development, travel bans and restrictions, asylum processing and overhaul. So we're going to try to cover all these things. If I don't cover them in video 1, I'm going to cover them in video 2. But again, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. So one tip of advice I want to start off with, in whatever process that you're in or whatever you're designed to do, whether you're designed to apply for a work visa or you're dealing with DACA, make sure you stay ahead of delays. That is the top thing you need to do. You need to avoid mistakes on your applications. You also need to know your legal rights. If you have to get legal counsel, please do so. I will definitely drop some different legal law firms that deal with immigration in my area and also other nonprofit organizations that help with immigration. And then also find affordable legal help. Now, right now, a lot of the immigration attorneys have hiked their prices because they know that people need them. So you might have to do a little bit of research to find a good qualified immigration attorney, but they are out there, okay? All right, so let's begin with part 1, right? First thing I wanted to very much talk about is the USCIS fees increase. So the fees have increased to over 30%. This includes for petitioning for visas, for work visas, green cards, citizenships, marriage license, and so forth. So you want to definitely make sure that you stay on top of this. If you can file as soon as possible, please do so. This is something that you need to do. This will help increase your chance with dealing with the increase of fees. Use fee waivers. Don't automatically assume that you do not qualify for fee waivers, right? You may qualify for them. So depending on what type of visa you're applying for, there could potentially be a fee waiver that you could utilize for that. Budget wisely and plan ahead. You know, again, once you figure out how much all the fees are in regards to the particular visa that you're applying for, make sure you have those funds readily available so you don't slow down your process, okay? Next option, the green card backlog shifts. So as you do know, the green cards are pretty much backlogged. And the wait times for family-based applications and employment-based categories are moving a bit faster though, but green cards are backlogged. So make sure you check the visa bulletin every month. I'll make sure I put that in the notes below. And if you're eligible for multi-categories, consult with an immigration attorney to file the strongest pathway for you. Okay, so that's information in regards to that. Next, DACA uncertainty. DACA recipients are still in limbo, as you know. Of course, they're still debating in the future in regards to that. New applications are still not being accepted. So if you are a part of DACA, make sure you renew early, don't wait. Get your travel permits now and advance parole if eligible. Look into other legal pathways like marriage-based or employment visas if you still have an issue with your DACA application, okay? So this is just a word of advice. Travel bans and travel restrictions. As you know, the Trump administration has placed a lot of restrictions on different countries, but now there's a new there is a new security-based travel ban and visa restriction have been placed on certain countries again in mid-2025, as you know, including some African and Middle Eastern countries. What to do in regards to this if you are a part of that, or if you want to know if your country is a part of that, check out the specific updates on the State Department website. That's the first thing you should do. Delay travel if unusual, if you're unsure, or apply for a waiver when possible. There are waivers that you can apply for depending on what country you're a part of, that you can move around the travel ban restrictions. So make sure you check out to see what those waivers are, to see if those waivers will apply to you, okay? Make sure you stay informed, change quickly with the election and global events. Just make sure you stay on top of it and stay on top of the latest news. Asylum system overhaul, okay? There's a backlog in regards to that. The asylum system is also being restructured. It's being faster processing, but more cases are being denied under the new expedited removal policy, okay? So make sure if you are applying for asylum that you have a very strong, solid case. You have evidence to back up that case, and then I would encourage you to hire an immigration lawyer to help make sure that all of your claims and all your accusations and all your proof is in a line, so that when you meet with the immigration judge, that you have a solid case so that you'll be approved for your asylum seeking situation, okay? Again, make sure you seek legal counsel. Document everything, especially every threat, every human right violation. You need to make sure you document all those things. File application clearly, accurately, and on time. Again, I would encourage you to find someone to help you prepare your application for asylum, and a legal attorney will definitely do so, okay? Now, if anyone that you know is being impacted by any one of these things, please drop a comment below so that we can help each other. This is the community that I'm trying to recreate to help immigrants in regards to whatever their legal status is. I myself had a small situation. I'm not an immigrant, but I had a minor small situation as an American citizen. And I'm very passionate in regards to immigration. And even though I'm not an immigration attorney, I would try to give as much advice as I can to support and be there for you all when I possibly can. So whatever situation you're going through, don't drop names, but kind of give us a scenario what's going on, and maybe someone else in the comment can help each other. We can help each other get through this rough time that we're going through. Again, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click the bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Be safe.